Hello everyone, and welcome to this unboxing. I don't know, I'm calling it an unboxing, but technically it's just a really big envelope. But it's something I'm insanely excited about. As many of you know, I am a Jurassic Park fan, freak, lover of all things Jurassic, whatever you want to call it, that's probably me. And I recently found out about a website. It is, I hope I get this right. It's jp.401graphics.com. And a friend who was in the Jurassic Park motor pool told me about this website, and I am so thankful they did because I was able to order this. So I'm going to actually open this on camera. I started opening it and then I realized what it was. And I thought, no, I want to do this live because this is something, I'll be honest, I have wanted since forever. And I tried making one, but I just don't have the proper materials for it to last and to look good. So the one that I ended up making, I think lasted maybe a year, and then it was toast. So I'm very hopeful about this one. So, okay, I'm excited. I ordered actually a couple things. So I'll do the little stuff first. So this, of course, is the Love Jurassic Park vinyl. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this. Maybe on my laptop, maybe on my car. I don't know. But I mean, like, these are really, really awesome. And they seem pretty thick and sturdy. So I got that. This is basically the exact same logo. I have way too many t-shirts, but when you see something like this, I mean, come on. It's me. It's totally me. I ended up getting a large. It does come in women's sizes, but I know that this material tends to shrink when you wash it, and I wanted it to be a bit roomy, so got a large. And now the piece de resistance. Correct my French if it's wrong. I got it. This is my 100% waterproof Jurassic Park raincoat. You guys, like, I've borrowed some from my friends, from Patrick and Ari, because they had like legit ones, but I've always wanted one for myself. And as soon as they told me that this was something that was available for purchase and that I could get it, I, jumped at the chance. Okay, so apparently it comes with, little pants. I don't care about that. I really don't. Here is, detachable hood. Okay. I might as well get glasses and then I can be Nedry, right? But here we go. This is, I don't remember what size I got, so you'll have to bear with me, but this is the front. And then we have the back. This is always the hard part to get. You need it the right size. It needs to be just big enough so that you can see it slightly when the hood is down. You want that vented flap, the whole thing. So now what I'm going to do is obviously try it on. It looks like I got a medium. I think that's because when I got the large last time, it was just really, really big. But now in hindsight, when I think about it, Ellie's is really big when she wears it and they go looking for Grant and the kids and the survivors, but So pretty simple. It snaps into place, which I like because then you can just remove it very simply. When you're done, there's our hood. Okay. And now, okay, sleeves fit well. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. I can't tell you how excited I am. And I don't know, might have to work on how it sits. But there is my jacket. And let me actually turn the camera so you can get the full. So it's a little short. I mean, honestly, I prefer it a bit longer, but there you go. My very own Jurassic Park raincoat. It does need a little bit of, I think, just not weathering, but, wearing it so I can get used to it. I have particularly long arms for a girl, and that actually fully bent, it still stays at my wrist, which I really like. I'm happy. I'm more than happy. I'm ecstatic. But here it is, my Jurassic Park raincoat. And if only it would rain in California, I could actually wear this out and about, but next best thing for now. So I will link the website in the video in case you're interested in getting one of these yourselves. I think it was around $60, might be $70, depending on what you order. But yeah, I highly recommend it. I am in love, and if you're a Jurassic Park fan and you don't have one of these, you need one.